Hello, and oh, I'm still sick. One sec. Hello, and welcome back. I am Tiz. This is my one-way ticket adventure. This is my update for the last week, 2 weeks-ish. I can't tell if these videos are getting better or just like so much worse. I definitely forget to add a lot of things in the videos while I'm trying to record these vlogs. Most of it is just, I find architecture really interesting, so I just kind of take a lot of short clips of what I see along the way, but I'm trying to add in with either voiceovers or text a little bit of details that you guys might be interested in, like where we were staying and roughly how much we were paying per night and things like that, in case you're interested in doing a similar kind of trip. But this part of the vlog basically covers going to Amsterdam, Rotterdam for TwitchCon, which I definitely did not take like any videos or content, unfortunately, just because I was so busy. We then did a road trip through Belgium and Luxembourg back to the Netherlands, and that is kind of what this will cover, as well as stay tuned to the end to see where I am now. We just made a quick pit stop at the Elephant Hostel, which was just about under 50 USD per night, and then got brunch in the morning before heading off to Rotterdam via train. From Friday to Monday, I was in Rotterdam, but TwitchCon was so busy, I took almost no content, so here's a couple videos of the scenery and one video of the con. We did stay at this super cool cube hostel called Stay Okay, which I didn't realize was also like a museum before I got there, and this is what the inside looks like.
We stayed in these cute things. Very big dino. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty.
This next part, from the 2nd to the 6th, so basically 5 days, we jumped in the car and did a little bit of a road trip. My favorite thing about Belgium was all the really cool architecture and then tons of street art as well. I believe this place was called the Bedford Hotel. Everywhere we stayed on this road trip was about 120 euros per night, but split 3 ways, it wasn't too bad.
So I was terrible at taking content at TwitchCon, and as you might be able to hear, my voice died a little bit. And then I'm pretty sure I have the con flu, so I am feeling awful. We just started our road trip with Vinny and Akari, and we went to Antwerp earlier today, walked around. We just got to Brussels, walked into the hotel. I am going to be vertical. This is horizontal. I'm going to be horizontal for the rest of the night. And then I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but yeah, these are the parts of traveling that are a little bit rough. I feel awful. I think I'm dying. It's a castle. Where are we? Brussels?
Yes.
Woo. We mostly just wandered around, but I believe this is called the Grand Place, and it's the main center of Brussels. Walking in here was absolutely breathtaking with all the Baroque architecture.
We're walking through the park, and we saw this place. People were eating sandwiches, so we went and found some. Now we're just doing lunch on the bench. You can wave if you want. My voice is still very dead, but yeah. We were road tripping. We went to Antwerp and Brussels in Belgium, and then we drove through, and we just got to Luxembourg, checked in the hostel, walking up. It is a very hilly town, which for being sick is rough, but it's super cool. Look at this little mountainside thing. There's Vinny in a car. And look at this. Isn't that neat? So anyway, we're walking down into the town area to go find some food. And then sleep. Food was delicious, but very expensive. It is day 562 of hiking up a hill. Never. This is really steep. And I don't know where we're going. But we'll get there. We're just gonna explore Luxembourg today. It's a bit rainy, but kind of lovely. And then back on the road to go to Maastricht. Okay. Onward. Get it? It says Luxembourg. Oops, my fingers got in the way. We're gonna go up there. Okay, we just went up the thingy, and now we're going down. We're following a sign that says something about Aqua Tunnel. And we want to figure out what it is. So we're on an adventure. It's a bug. We can just climb down from down there. Here's another sign. This way. Huh? Apparently it is closed, but there you go. Tunnels. Okay, now we're gonna go that way because there's a garden area. It's a robot lawnmower. This is like a whole thing of boys and their toys moment. Here's the thing we went up on the other side. Went down here. The thing that was closed was over here. And we climbed up. And there's that area. And now we're gonna walk back along the wall till we get over there-ish. Trying to get back over there somehow. Okay, so we decided to find this underground area. We got tickets in there, so, yep. But we came from down there. And now we're going all the way down here. This is like a rampart area. One of the caves is pretty cool. Were these caves originally, or was it all man-made?
It does look man-made.
But there's lots of these cool little, like, view to the outside. I'm enjoying these caves. You look like one of those like glitching NPCs. Okay, where are we? We're in the, no, this is the Netherlands. Wait, it's a D. Is that Germany? Germany and Belgium. Yeah. Wait, but I'm not. I guess my body's in Germany, but my feet are in the other countries. Yeah, there, we're touching all of the. So yeah, this Germany, Netherlands, Belgium, all the countries at the same time. There's some flags. Apparently there's a little like maze thing and other stuff. But it just started raining. So we're just doing a really quick pop by. And then we're headed back to the Netherlands to our next spot on the road trip. Beep. That's cool. Wooden keys. Where's Vinny? I can just see your backpack shaking because you're laughing. They always try to get out of my videos, so this is my little bed over here.
This is where we are. Gluten-free vegan place.
This is the not gluten-free. And then the gluten-free. It's so cute. You wanna look at that? We have about 30 more minutes till our parking is up, so we're just running around. We're on a big bridge right now. Our hotel was like somewhere over here. This is the other side of the river. So we're just exploring a little bit before we jump back in the car and drive back to Amsterdam. I think, Rotterdam. Then a train to Amsterdam. So Vinny dropped us off at the train station, and we took a train back to Amsterdam, and then we quickly ran out and we jumped on a ferry, going on the ferry across to where our hostel is. We're gonna stay for the night. Back in Amsterdam, got some fries before we go find dinner. Got some fries, some food, and we've already walked around Amsterdam a little bit before, so I think we're just gonna go back and go to sleep. We got an early flight in the morning, and I'm still sick and tired. This is called a travelator. And I don't know why, but that just makes me giggle. It's a flat escalator. A travelator. This airport's so quiet. I like it. They don't make announcements. And there's a tree. After my nap, we went board for 3 hours.
So I am currently in Norway, visiting my friend Siri, who is also a streamer. I'm not quite sure if I'll have a vlog for this part. It might be a little short video. It's mostly been rest and recovery. I am borrowing lots of clothes and did laundry. We've had some like girl time and just wearing face masks and sitting in bed watching TV, recovering from being sick. So definitely gets you some good friends like this where you can just chill for a while. Thank you for coming along this journey as I learned to vlog purely just off of my phone. For anybody interested, I'm just using the iPhone. I think this is a 15. And this little mic, this is the Hollyland Lark M2. I've been using CapCut to edit, and I just have a subscription now for Artlist to put music in them so I don't get copyright strike on YouTube. So please like and subscribe, comment any feedback or things that you want to see in the future, and I appreciate you watching and hanging out with me. So until next time.